The value is enormous.
This program has helped us to align with a writing focus, which is part of our school strategy and annual implementation plan, so it meets our school targets and or supports us to help meet those. But it just turns kids on.
It gets students to think outside the box.
They take your most reluctant writers and turn them into authors almost in 1 hour.
There are a few reluctant writers in my classroom, but in that lesson then they were so excited to put pencil to paper.
You couldn't contain them. They didn't want to sit on the floor. They were jumping up, and they weren't just sitting on cross-legged, they were up. So you could see a physical difference in the students.
It's really exciting to see them want to talk about and share their work. Oftentimes kids will be quite reserved and not want to share their work with each other, and I find after a workshop I don't have to prompt the kids to share, they're dying to share. I've had kids in the past ask if they can actually stay in at lunchtime, and I've had to say, no, I need a break please, you need to go outside.
It works so well in a narrative unit.
It gives them also access to a process.
The students made their own character, they created a setting for the character, which we call a bit of a plan, so they've got their plan ready, and then when we start planning our narrative unit, we will plan the lessons around those characters and settings.
At the end of that workshop, every single child has something that they can share. So a child who may not have had a lot of success in writing is being given an opportunity to be successful. Imaginative, exciting, and are you sure I can only do 3?
Creativity, craziness, smashing structures.
Book tomorrow. No, don't book tomorrow, book now. They're fantastic, you won't regret it.
Oh, definitely book it in.